My name is Sandro Gamba. I am the executive chef of the Ritz-Carlton Tokyo, and I am a passionate photographer. In my world, food brings emotion. I love details, perfection. It is very important that I have the team understand the vision. You cannot achieve anything if you don't have a good communication. In the kitchen, we always have under pressure. My responsibility is really to deliver perfection 24 hours, 7 days a week. Photography is a real connection between the chef and the rest of the world. That's a real gift in my life to do both. It helps me to go even further for my guest experience. In Tokyo, you cannot be average. Japan like excellence. It's all about emotion, making people happy. So my job in that aspect is one of the best jobs in the world. As a chef, it is very important to get out of your restaurant to see other things. That's the way you are going to inspire creativity. First of all, I will go to see the nature. It does help you to be more focused and more creative. When I'm walking around the market, I just pick what is beautiful. It's all about working with the best ingredients. That's a beautiful fish, huh? I got my catch of the day. Look at this.
This one called Otoro.
Wow. I want to eat. Beautiful food experience is not only about the food, it's about everything is around the food. For each plate here you have an artist, an artisan who spends so much time. You have to give respect. Look at this, it's a piece of art. A knife in Japan for a chef is not a tool, it's a way of life. It should be the continuity of your body. That's the way to start the respect between the ingredient and the guest. A good chef is somebody that wants to share his passion to people. Yotaku is a type of photography from 200 years ago. It's a way to make something beautiful from the nature. My photography is all about the beauty of the plate. The difference between my photo and maybe some of my photographer colleagues is like I am a chef. I'm photographing a dish that I understand everything from A to Z. So I know the story behind, and I think it's very important. You cannot smell it when you see the photo, but you can feel it. Everything is complete. I am someone that need perfection to nourish my creativity. My phase one is sharp as my knife, can get all of the detail I want, make me feel very strong to what I want to achieve. Phase one let me create with no limitation. Phase one camera is all about detail, all about precision. That's why I love this camera so much, because it really makes me a better photographer, because I'm taking the time to understand what I have in front of me. I like the texture of the apple here, that's beautiful. It looks so natural. My dream life is to continue to be a well-respected chef around the world and also continue to make beautiful photographies that will touch the heart of people. My recipe is very simple. Challenge yourself, be open to learn, and look for the beauty out there. Never give up.